We'll guide you through how to make a transparent watermark in CapCut. If you find this useful, then please subscribe and leave a like. A watermark helps protect your work and it also looks cool as well. So first of all, open up the CapCut project, make sure nothing is selected. If it is, press the back button in the bottom left and go and click on text and then click on add text. Now type in what you want it to go and say. When you've finished, press on the keyboard icon over to the right and in fonts, choose the font you want to use. Then you want to go to the right of fonts and click on styles. What you want to do is come to the bottom here and you can go and adjust the opacity. Click, hold and drag, and I like to go and set it to about 60 like so. Then you want to go just above the colors here and you want to go and select shadow. Choose the color, I want to go for black. And what you can then do is initially adjust the opacity, adjust the blur to your liking, and then increase the distance like so. Of course, you can make the opacity intenser if you want as well. You can then go and position it where you want it to be. Now, when I play it back, you'll go and see the watermark is there. Of course, you can click on it and make it longer.